3 things that are worth your money this rainy season. Hi, this is Doc Kate. As a naturopathic doctor, palagi ko pong binabanggit sa mga pasyente na prevention is always better than cure. And this rainy season, uso na naman ang iba't ibang klase ng sakit, kaya ito po ang 3 bagay na sulit bilhin. Number 1, eucalyptus oil. Nakakatulong po ito for our lung health and to improve our immune system as well. Pwede po itong gawing diffuser sa bahay para makapagbigay ng relaxing scent habang umuulan. Number 2, walking pad. Kahit maulan, hindi po ito excuse na maging sedentary. Kahit 30 minutes lang na paglalakad sa walking pad, malaking tulong na po ito para sa ating circulation, mood, and metabolism. And number 3, right supplements. Ngayong malamig ang panahon, madalas tayong mag-crave ng comfort foods or matatamis na inumin. Kaya pumili po tayo ng supplements na makakatulong mag-control ng cravings. When it comes to supplement, pwede po kayong mag-take ng Best Shape ACV capsules with bioperine na tumutulong suportahan ang ating gut and cravings. Best Shape Go and Glow with 5 grams of inulin fiber and marine collagen that helps support immunity for skin health at pwedeng gawing alternative sa sugary drinks at gawing hot drink. Kasama na rin ang Best Shape berberine with Ceylon cinnamon and bioperine for steady energy and metabolic support. Rainy days may slow you down but they don't have to stop your progress, especially when it comes to your wellness. Take note lamang po na hindi po ito gamot at marapat na magpakonsulta pa rin sa inyong mga doktor kung may mga nakakabahalang sintomas. Prevention is always better than cure. Stay healthy po!